Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate stock purchases with Robinhood, complete guide step by step clearly. To automate stock purchases with Robinhood, start by downloading the Robinhood app from the App Store. Create an account by providing your email address and setting a secure password. Complete the sign-up process by entering your personal information, including your name, address, and date of birth. Verify your identity by uploading a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Once your account is verified, deposit funds into your Robinhood account by linking a bank account. Navigate to the Investing tab on the app's main screen. Search for the stock you want to purchase by entering its name or ticker symbol in the search bar. Select the stock from the search results to access its detail page. Tap the Trade button and then select Buy to start the purchasing process. Enter the amount you wish to invest in the stock, either as a dollar amount or number of shares. Before finalizing your purchase, review your order details to ensure accuracy. To set up automation, look for the Recurring Investments feature on the stock's detail page. Tap on Recurring Investments and choose how often you want to purchase shares, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Select the amount you want to invest with each recurring purchase. Review your selection and tap Next to proceed. Confirm your recurring investment settings and tap Submit to finalize. Wait for confirmation that your recurring investment has been set up successfully. Now, your stock purchases will automatically occur based on your specified schedule. You can always review or modify your recurring investments by navigating back to the stock's detail page. Monitor your investments periodically to ensure they align with your financial goals. Enjoy the convenience of automated stock purchasing with Robinhood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.